Welcome to our channel, exploring the cutting edge of agriculture with John Deere 9RX. Today, we embark on a journey to explore one of the most advanced agricultural machines, the John Deere 9RX. Join me as we delve into the world of power and technical breakthroughs in agriculture. John Deere, legend of the agricultural industry. John Deere 9RX is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, delivering up to 620 horsepower, making it one of the most robust machines in the industry. This ensures that every task on the field is executed with utmost efficiency. John Deere, a household name in agriculture, has been ingrained in the hearts of people for decades, with a mission to work alongside farmers and field workers to provide comprehensive solutions for the agricultural sector. Since its establishment in 1837 by John Deere in Grand Detour, Illinois, the brand has become a symbol of innovation and power in agriculture. John Deere is not just a manufacturer of agricultural machinery, but also a reliable partner for farmers worldwide. From traditional plows to modern harvesting equipment, John Deere continues to innovate and improve to meet the ever-growing demands of agriculture. John Deere's mission is not only to bring technology to the field, but also to create comprehensive and sustainable solutions for farmers. The power and peak performance. John Deere 9RX, one of John Deere's most powerful and modern plow lines, embodies superior strength and performance. With a powerful diesel engine, up to 620 horsepower, the 9RX is not just power, it's a symbol of technical breakthroughs in agriculture. The automatic transmission and flexible drive system allow speed and pulling force adjustments depending on working conditions, optimizing efficiency and saving energy. With a weight ranging from 20 to 30 tons and a length of 7 to 9 meters, the 9RX is the perfect combination of power and flexibility, allowing farmers to complete tasks on the field with ease and efficiency. With advanced technology and optimized features, John Deere 9RX provides the best working experience for users, opening new doors for the agricultural industry. Comprehensive technical specifications. The automatic transmission and flexible drive system allow speed and pulling force adjustments based on working conditions. This optimizes performance and saves energy, enabling farmers to work most efficiently. John Deere 9RX is not just an ordinary agricultural machine, but a symbol of strength and efficiency in the industry. With every technical detail carefully considered, the machine provides the highest stability and efficiency on every field. The independent suspension system helps minimize shocks and vibrations when operating on difficult terrains, thereby increasing stability and comfort for the driver. Wide tracks not only enhance power and traction, but also provide powerful and stable movement on all types of terrain, especially soft soil and sand. The water cooling system and air conditioning maintains safe operating temperatures for the engine, while the air conditioning system creates comfortable and flexible working conditions for the driver in all weather conditions. Adjustable features allow users to optimize work efficiency based on the specific conditions of each field. Engine type. John Deere 9RX is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, working efficiently and reliably on all types of terrain and weather conditions. Having various engine options allows users to choose according to their specific needs, from basic tasks to heavy-duty operations. Power output. The power of John Deere 9RX typically ranges from 470 to 620 horsepower, 350 to 462 kW, meeting the strictest requirements of modern agriculture. With this powerful output, the machine can operate large and heavy agricultural equipment easily and efficiently. transmission and drive John Deere 9RX is usually equipped with an automatic or manual transmission, providing flexibility for drivers to adjust speed and traction depending on specific needs and working conditions. The drive system can be either four-wheel or dual-track, providing the necessary power and traction to overcome any challenges on the field. Size and weight: John Deere 9RX has a weight ranging from 20 to 30 tons, with a length ranging from 7 to 9 meters. This combination of weight and size provides stability and balance, allowing the machine to operate powerfully and efficiently on all types of terrain and in all working conditions. Technology and optimal features. John Deere 9RX is not just an ordinary agricultural machine, but a symbol of strength and efficiency in the industry. Let's take a look at some detailed technical specifications of this machine. Advantages. Increased operability with advanced features such as independent suspension and wide tracks. John Deere 9RX provides powerful and stable operation on all types of terrain. Convenience and flexibility: adjustable features and the water cooling system and air conditioning create comfortable and flexible working conditions for the driver. Disadvantages. High initial cost: the cost of purchasing a John Deere 9RX machine may be high, especially for small-scale farmers. Technical requirements: for some users, adapting to and using the machine may require high technical knowledge and skill. Terrain conditions: although John Deere 9RX can operate on all types of terrain, specific terrain conditions may affect the machine's performance and utility. User-specific needs: each farmer has different needs and requirements for a plow machine, which may affect their choice and priorities for John Deere 9RX. Maintenance and repair capability: maintenance and repair require costs and time, which also affect the utility and usage costs of the machine in the long run. Reliable partner. In the vast fields, John Deere 9RX is not just a machine but also a trusted partner of farmers, with its strength, performance and high stability. Thank you for joining us on the journey to explore John Deere 9RX. Remember to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on the next exciting content.